something we got here? So when you first pull in, before you cross the tracks, you push to the right. Oh, left, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. 45 minutes, dude. They don't got 45 minutes worth of fireworks is like $12 million, dude.
Tommy, it's the 250th for one, and for two, it's always goes that long.
That's true.
And for two?
And for
two?
You don't even know.
And for two?
You don't even know.
Go to the bottom.
I don't know how. Can't read. My mother never taught me how.
Yeah, we went to Williston school and shit.
I went to Shelburne.
Oh, yeah, that's
I should know how to
You
read.
weren't old enough to go to the schools we went to.
Yeah.
We went to the dum-dum schools. You went to the good one. You got lucky.
I should know how to read. Here we are.
Dude, I've forgotten more than most people have learned.
Numbers and letters are really hard.
Numbers and letters. I can't add my letters and I can't read my numbers. It's horrible.
That part. That was a good one.
See if you can spot the one blood that goes up and just nothing happens. There's usually at least one or two of them. Whatever he wants, give it to him.
Frustrating for the game.